Now we'll see the very important derivation as far as V2 examination is considered. Please remember it is one of the most important derivation, and on this derivation only there are another 5 to 6 derivations, and on these derivations only the problem will be asked. In the question paper you will get these derivations as well as problems. Okay, from this derivation onwards you will get 15 to 20 marks questions in the institute question paper. Okay, he will ask one or two derivation and one or two problems. Okay, so now the derivation of unit step response of second order system for underdamped case. Okay, for underdamped system, let us consider the second order equation, right? S square plus 2 zeta omega ns plus omega n square. You know how to write, right? S square plus 2 zeta omega subscript n. Okay, s plus omega subscript n. The square should be on omega, not on n. Okay, now I have shown you how to write the equation. Okay, so here, so first we should find the roots. How to find the roots? So as we know, it is a quadratic equation, right? That is in the form of ax square plus bx plus 6, right? So to find the roots of quadratic equation, we know the formula minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So if you compare with this equation, right? So here a is equals to 1, b is equal to 2 zeta omega and c is equals to 1. Okay. So again, so substitute a, b, c value in the standard equation, you will get the roots here. Minus 2 zeta omega n plus or minus under root of 4 zeta omega n zeta square omega n square minus 4. So 4 if you take common, so square root of 4 is 2. So minus 2 zeta omega n plus or minus 2 under root of zeta square omega n square minus 1 divided by 2. So again, if you take 2 common, numerator and denominator will be get cancels. Finally, we will get this expression. Okay. So already you know that. So S12 again you will get these roots. Okay. So here what I'll do, I'll replace zeta omega n by alpha and omega n under root of 1 minus zeta square by omega d. So if you replace this by alpha and omega d, so you can write S1 comma 2 is equal to minus alpha plus or minus j omega d, omega subscript d again. Okay. So for unit step response, so R of t, right, R of s, that is in the Laplace transform, we can write R of s is equals to 1 by s. We have seen in the last derivation also, right? So C of s by R of s, we know the standard equation, omega n square divided by s square plus 2 zeta omega ns plus omega n square. So C of s, if you take R of s that side, it will be omega n square divided by s into s square plus 2 zeta omega ns plus omega n square. Okay, so again now by using partial fractions, okay, so this will take left side, that is omega n square divided by s into s square plus 2 zeta omega ns plus omega n square. So by using partial fraction we'll take a1 divided by s plus a2s plus a3 divided by s square plus 2 zeta omega ns plus omega n square, that you know very well. Okay, so now, so again partial fraction simplification. So you are, hope you know very well how to do the partial fraction calculations. Okay, so that if you to find the value of a1 a2 a3, so we'll equate those two equations, both the denominator will be cancelled. So omega n square is equals to a1 s square plus 2 zeta omega n s plus omega n square, this is one bracket, and plus s a2 s plus a3. Okay, so from this if we keep solving, right, so we'll get a1 is equals to 1. Okay, and a2 is equals to minus 1, because here in the left side you see a1 plus a2 s square. So the coefficient of s square here in the left side is 0. That's why we have considered here a1 plus a2 is equals to 0. So similarly, we will get the value of a1 is equals to 1. So similarly find the value of a2 is equals to minus 1. So again a3 is equals to minus 2 zeta omega n. So as already we have replaced zeta omega n by alpha, so this can be written as a3 is equals to minus 2 alpha, right? So if you substitute in the standard equation, that is C of s, that is C of s is equal to omega n square divided by this, we have solved by partial fractions, na? So that's why C of s is equals to 1 by s minus s plus 2 alpha. You know alpha is equals to what? Zeta omega n. We have replaced in the initially itself. Okay. So s plus 2 alpha divided by s square plus 2 alpha s plus omega n square. Okay, so just by considering only denominator, denominator. So that is s square plus 2 alpha s plus omega n square. So here adding and subtracting alpha square to the above equation. If you add and subtract, right, that is you will get s plus alpha square plus omega n square minus alpha square. And if you keep simplify it, right, finally will, that is, you know that alpha is equal to again zeta omega n we have considered. So if we solve this, finally we will get alpha s plus alpha square plus omega d square. So this will substitute in the equation number 1. That is, here we have equation number 1 here, that is c of s is equals to 1 by s minus s plus 2 alpha. So denominator we are replacing by the above simplification, right, that is s plus alpha square plus omega d square. Okay, so again adjusting c of s as, so right, so c of s is equals to 1 by s in the square bracket s plus alpha divided by s plus alpha whole square plus omega d square plus alpha divided by s plus alpha whole square plus omega d square. Okay, so here, so we have adjusted like this because so s plus 2 alpha I have replaced by like this. Here we have s plus 2 alpha, right? So if we have denominator same, right, so this can be adjusted s plus alpha divided by the s plus alpha square plus omega d square plus alpha, right? If we have the denominator same, then we can add the numerators. So just we have adjusted here, right? So now dividing and multiplying by omega d in the above equation, that is in the second term of the above equation. Second term of the above equation. This is the second term, right? So that is 1 by s minus s plus alpha divided by s plus alpha square plus omega d square plus alpha by omega d divided by s plus alpha square plus omega d square. We know that, okay, inverse Laplace transform of s plus a divided by s plus a square plus omega square can be written as e to the power of minus at cos omega t, e to the power of minus at cos omega t. And inverse Laplace transform of omega divided by s plus a square plus omega square can be written as e to the power of minus at sin omega t, remember. Okay, so if we substitute in the above equation, c of t is equals to 1 minus e to the power of minus alpha t cos omega dt plus alpha divided by omega d e to the power of minus alpha t into sin omega dt. Okay, so after substituting this inverse Laplace transform equation, the equation will be like this. Okay, but we know that alpha is equals to zeta omega n, omega d is equals to omega n under root of 1 minus zeta square. So here c of t is equals to 1 minus, right, we are replacing alpha by zeta omega n because initially we have considered alpha is equals to zeta omega n. 1 minus square bracket e to the power of minus zeta omega n t cos omega dt plus zeta omega n e to the power of minus zeta omega n t divided by omega n under root of 1 minus zeta square sin omega dt. So c of t is equals to, again you can take here common e to the power of minus zeta omega n t because in the both it is common here. If you take common, the equation will be like this. Next, if you simplify again, you can take 1 minus under root of 1 minus zeta square outside the bracket, that is c of t is equals to 1 minus e to the power of minus zeta omega n t divided by under root of 1 minus zeta square in the square bracket 1 minus zeta square cos omega dt plus zeta sin omega dt. But considering sin of omega dt plus theta, that is sin of a plus b formula, if you apply sin of a plus b formula and comparing this with c of t, comparing with this equation with c of t, we can write sin theta is equals to under root of 1 minus zeta square and tan theta is cos theta is equals to zeta. So in that case tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. So that is under root of 1 minus zeta square by zeta. Theta is equals to tan inverse of 1 under root of 1 minus zeta square divided by zeta. So if you